Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can stop notification on Bigo Live. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open our Bigo Live application. And here the user face will appear like this. Now go ahead and tap on the Me section, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now here you can see the user setting on the top hand right side of the corner. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll be appear with the Bigo Live settings. Now here you can see notification right above the video quality. Tap on it. Now here you can see message notification. Tap on it. Now here you have new fans. Go ahead and disable it. Just turn off all the options which is available right there. Once you disable all the options, you'll be stop receiving notification on Bigo Live. So yeah guys, this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.